Welcome to another video. Let's find the value of x in these exponential equations. And given x raised to the power of x equals to 64. And if you are just coming to our channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So if I transfer 64 to this side, so we have x raised to the power 6 minus 64 equals to 0. And 64 can also be rewritten as 2 to the power of 6 equals to 0. And if you consider this as well, so we can still write this as x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 all raised to the power of 2, everything equals to 0. And from this assumption, or let me call it from the difference of a 2 square, if you have a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2, everything equals to 0. Why this is giving us a plus b and a minus b. So that is the difference of a 2 square. And if you apply this in the above, we have x raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. We bracket it. And for the second one, we have x raised to the power 3 minus 2 raised to the power 3. Everything equals to 0. So from the assumption of quadratic, so we are going to let each of these to be 0 separately, as in x raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to 0. Or we have x raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 0. So we are going to solve these things separately. So to deal with the first one, so we know this is the sum of 2 cube, alright? So and if we consider this identity, which is a cube plus b cube, so this equals to a plus b bracket and bracket a square plus minus ab plus b square. And remember that, so we are doing comparison as this is a cube x cube plus 2 cube equals to where x is a and 2 is b. We have x plus b, x plus 2 bracket x square minus 2x plus 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4. And x raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 0. So by replacing it, we have this as x plus 2 bracket x raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So it's either we have x plus 2 equals to 0 or x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So for this, x plus 2 equals to 0, or we have x raised to the power of 2 minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So for the first one here, we know that x here equals to negative 2, and which is the one of the root that we are looking for. So and for the second one here, so really this is discriminant for this one is less than 0. And to do it, we are going to say x squared minus 2x. If I try to add plus 1 and then minus 1 to both sides, or let's say I assume plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. And so if I combine x raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus 1 together, so we are going to have this as x squared minus 2x plus 1. So I'm going to bracket this. Y 4 minus 1, that is going to be 3 equals to 0. So and we know that x squared minus 2x plus 1 is the same thing as x minus 1 all raised to the power of 2. And we transfer 3 to the other side, which is minus 3. So therefore, if you take the square root of both sides, so we have x minus 1 raised to the power of 2 equals to plus or minus the square root of minus 3. So if square cancels square root, we have x minus 1 equals to plus or minus. If this is a complex root, it becomes root 3 with the imaginary letter, which is j. So we have this as x equals to 1 plus or minus the square root of 3j. So which is the other two root for this equation. So let's deal with the other one, which is x cube minus 2x equals to 0. So from here, if I take the assumption of the difference of a 2 cube, which is a cube minus b cube, so this is equals to a minus b bracket open bracket a raised to the power of 2 plus ab plus b raised to the power 2. And if I do the comparison with x raised to the power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 equals to x minus 2 bracket open bracket x raised to power of 2 plus 2x plus 4. And then if x raised to power 3 minus 2x 2 raised to power 3 equals to 0, so we have x minus 2 bracket open bracket x raised to power of 2 plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. And it's either x minus 2 equals to 0 or the other one equals to 0. So we have x minus 2 equals to 0, and therefore we are going to get the value of x here, which is equals to 2. So we still got another root for this. So and let's solve the second one, which is x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So from here, we are going to use the what we apply above by adding plus 1 and the minus 1 to this equation. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. And if I combine the first three together, so which is x plus 1 all raised to power of 2 plus 3 equals to 0. And transferring 3 to other side, so we have this as x plus 1 raised to power of 2 equals to minus 3. And then by taking the square root of both sides, so we have the square root of x plus 1 raised to power 2 equals to plus or minus the root of minus 3. So if square cancels square root, so we have bracket x plus 1 equals to plus or minus the root of 3j. And then so we transfer 1 to other side, so therefore we have x equals to minus 1 plus or minus the root of 3j, so which is the other two roots, making 6 roots. And we can put everything in summary under here, as we got all the 6 roots for the given equation above. So therefore for the x1 we have it as minus 2. So and we have x2 comma x3, so which is going to be 1 plus or minus the root of 3j. And we also have x4, which is equals to 2, while x5 comma x6 comma 6, so it's going to be equals to minus 1 plus or minus the root of 3j. And here is how to solve this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. If you have another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comments box. I will appreciate it much. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.